Hi guys, in this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to make an assignment in Kami. So let's say that you have an assignment that you want to give to your students, but it's in a PDF format, okay? So the best way to assign that out is to go through Kami. Um, Kami is a Chrome extension, or you can go right out to Kami by just Googling Kami and going to the website. So this is the icon Chrome extension for Kami. So you can actually open a document here and create a classroom assignment right from the desktop of Kami. All right. So if you're doing that, you click on the create a Google Classroom assignment. Then you'll have the ability, because this Kami, this extension connects to your actual Google account. All right. So it's going to show me all of the Google classes that I have, right? I'm going to click on sample class here, and it's going to load. I have one student in that sample class. I'm going to click on an assignment. And you do not have to list instructions here. You can choose to grade that assignment, guys, or if you don't want to, you click on the X. You can also change the point value. You can select a due date if you would like. I'm just going to select the 21st, and then you select the time that you want to do. Um, you can schedule it. So if you don't want it to show up to students, you can actually click here and schedule when you want that assignment to be visible to your students. You can click on a topic if you have one listed in that particular class. In sample class, I had not yet made a topic list, so it doesn't have one there. Notice this box here. This, when checked, will send Kami instructions to the students. So I would just keep that checked, guys. Let's say that you have a document that's in a PDF that you want to send to your students. I'm going to go ahead and click this loan agreement. Let's just say that I want my students to be able to complete this loan agreement, okay, a technology loan agreement that I have. I can select that particular document, select open, and then the default here, which I really like this, is make a copy for each student. So unlike in Google Classroom where you have to select make a copy for each student, if you assign something out in Kami, it's already there for you. So that is the default. You don't really have to worry about changing this at all. And you click on the assign button. Once the students get this assignment, it's going to be just like a Google Classroom assignment, okay? So what they're going to do is they're going to see that they have this assignment, right? They're when they open their Google Classroom, they'll see that they have this assignment here. They'll have instructions from Kami. What they would do is just like any other assignment through Google Classroom, they would click on that assignment. They would click on Open with Kami, which, by the way, Kami will be pushed down to all students. Okay, so that is going to happen. It will be pushed down to all students. Now, if the parents needed to create a signature, or the student needed to create a signature, or even both, they could simply go to the drawing tool and they can draw here a signature, or they can go to the signature tool and draw one on their phone. Okay. And you can have as many signatures as you'd like. So they could have a student signature on file, a parent signature on file, either way. Now, the students will have video tutorials. So I have been creating video tutorials for students and parents. So that is something that will happen. Now, this particular PDF is fillable. So all the student would have to do is put in their name and fill out all of the boxes, right? And once that is done, the student would simply go and click on turn in. All right. So the student would click on turn in, and that would be the end of it. Once they've done that, it would go over to the teacher, and everything is great. You have the signed document that you need, and the parent didn't have to actually send the document into school. Or in the case of, this is really good for like student handbooks and things like that, needing to get signatures on there. But it's also, again, very good for making assignments with PDFs that you already have. This enables you to not have to um, convert those to a Google Doc. And in some cases, with a PDF, you're unable to do so. So this will allow students to complete PDFs that you assign. That's all, guys. Hope you have a great day.